Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you guys are here. I am so sorry that I have not uploaded a video in like 3 weeks, you guys. It's been a long time. I'm actually not even in school right now, so I have no excuse other than the fact that I feel like life is kicking my ass for no reason. I just feel like I just cannot keep up. Life is hard and I'm just trying to get my life back together. So that is what today's video is all about. I'm going to be decluttering and organizing and cleaning and just doing all of the things that really make me happy and less stressed and just feel overall my best. So that's what we're doing. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys keep on watching. I'm also going to be chatting a little bit about the business that I started. I did start a little small business on the side and I just love it so much. If you guys have not seen it yet or watched any of my other videos, I did get a Cricut and it just really is a cool device. It really helps like cut out and make designs and just like I don't know how to describe it, but definitely watch my other video if you guys haven't already that I bought a Cricut and I was testing it out. And yeah, so I will leave my website or my Instagram handle down below where I post all of my products, so you guys can take a peek and see what I've created. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go ahead and hop in today's video. Alright guys, so the first time that I tried to upload this video, I have no idea what happened to the sound. So I'm going to do a voiceover because I think something happened with my microphone on my camera to where like it literally made everything so staticky and like fast forwarded my voice, and like I don't even know how to describe it, but all I'm saying is that I felt pretty successful. I felt like I got a lot done so far. I had like a big pile of trash and then a big pile of like stuff to get rid of. I was really stressed by the cords underneath my desk and how like organized it is, and I just really wanted to get my life together over in this corner. I did buy a storage cart to organize my stuff over here. I'll be organizing my dresser with all of my cups on it. I don't know if you guys heard about me starting my own business quite yet in this video, but I did start my own Cricut business and customizing tumblers and cups, and it's been really fun. I did get a heat press as well, and I've been doing shirt and like crew neck orders and stuff like that, but this thing was jam packed with all kinds of stuff. So I was just talking about moving some stuff around and putting some stuff in the drawers and just basically moving a bunch of stuff around, but I'm gonna go ahead and put a cart together and organize this space. So go ahead and keep on watching. So again, I think something happened to my microphone when I was filming. I feel like I'm gonna have to get a new microphone or something because it literally messed up audio in like several parts of this video. So that is why I'm doing voiceovers. But I was just, again, talking about some stuff that I got done, stuff I've organized my vanity, finally got the cup organizer done. And then I had the pile of stuff. I was describing that like half of the pile was wedding stuff, so it's not really stuff that I can move out of the way. But then there was a pile of stuff that I was probably going to post on like Facebook Marketplace or just post on my page for sale. And then there was some stuff I was going to take to work, like some extra pens and badge reels that I don't need. And then, of course, everything else was pretty much trash. So that is what I'm doing. So yeah, everything's looking good. Everything is coming into place. Got to put my laundry away. That's stacked up for quite some time.
I would love to be your stars, your moon, your sun. I would love to be that one. I'd love to be the one to make you laugh. I'd love to be the one who'd always say that I love you back. I would always be the one who cares, and I will try my very best to always be there. And the stars and moon and sun would all align, and for a million years and more I'd make you mine. 'Cause all the shades of
So everything's working out good. This pile over here is still some stuff that I need to get rid of, but I sold quite a few things, which was really nice. I got lots of stuff put away, got the trash taken out. I'm just working on some cup orders. This is some of my wedding stuff just stored back here in the corner. And then I am going to work on getting a storage cart for my vinyl. I know I've mentioned that a few times already, but it's going to have some of my shipping stuff in there and just stuff that I use to ship out products. So like my shipping boxes and like tissue paper, stuff like that. I'm going to just get like a little decorative basket to put that stuff in and have it out of the way and up off the floor, which will be nice. But yeah, everything looks really clean and I'm pretty happy with how things are looking so far.
all the shades of blue go away when I'm with you. Put a gold frame around my heart, 'cause you make me feel like a piece of art.
So here I was working on a few orders. I got some cup orders done that I packaged up into little gift bags, and then I had a box ready to go with a shipping label on there. And then I was actually working on some Christmas presents as well because by the time you guys are watching this, I have already filmed like everything for Christmas and like doing DIY projects and just a bunch of like shirts I had to get done and stuff for other people that I needed to do as well. But yeah, the cups are looking great. I have more trash because of the storage cart that I purchased. Now there's like stuff all over again and I feel like I'm back to square one, but I am making more progress, and I think I just have to declutter and storage first and then clean up again. So it's a process, but things are looking good, and I'm just excited for what this is going to look like and finally have a space to organize all of my things. I'm really excited for this little business. It is taken off and I've done quite a few orders, and I'm just so thankful for you guys' support. So just thank you so much, and yeah. So what I've been doing for my small business is making personal like tumblers, Starbucks cups, like just normal insulated tumblers as well. I've been making customized crew necks and sweatshirts, and I mean I can literally do anything. So like whether you wanted to add something onto like a handbag or a onesie, it's just been really fun crafting and customizing things, and I just actually created my own website to kind of get the ball rolling. I've just been doing like orders for like friends and family on Facebook and stuff, but I did start a website. So if you guys want to take a peek at it, you're more than welcome. I will leave it in my description box, but it's been so much fun and I just really love doing it. So but yeah, right now I'm putting together this little storage cart to put the rest of my vinyl and stuff in to get it a little more organized.
Cause you make me feel like a piece of art. You like to run free, but I'll still make my plans. I'll change my routine if you hold my
So again, fixing my audio because every single audio that I used from my camera, like my original audio, is all jacked up. So I've been having to do voiceovers for all of the parts that where I was talking, but I was just talking about reprinting some thank you labels, and I've been using this Munbin thermal printer, and it's been great.
Shades of blue, go away when I'm with you. Put a golden frame.
So here's some of the crew necks that I made for Christmas presents. So I actually order some of my clothes from Amazon. That's where I found most of my crew necks from. This one I made for my best friend. It says Cat Mama on it, and it's so adorable. I love this vinyl, and I seriously love it so much. And that again is from Amazon. And I also made her this cup to go with her crew neck. I know, I'm just that friend. I love being extra, and I love being that person who gives. I'm a giver. So but this Christmas present here was for my fiance's mom, and then it says her son's names on it. So my fiance's name, Emilio, and then his brothers, Brandon and Devin, and I used this like white sparkle vinyl, and it looked so good on this color. I just was obsessed with it. But yeah, that is pretty much it for those. I did make another one for my stepdad, but I kind of messed up, so I didn't show it. So here I'm actually going to toss some of my Christmas decor away. I already broke down a bunch of stuff, and then I pulled out my decor that I normally have out. So this is going to be like my neutral decor. So this is all like greenery and just like boho / like farmhouse vibe. So that's what I'm doing. I stored all the other stuff that is like getting rid of and stuff that I haven't got rid of yet into my storage closet. But things are going good. I'm going to go ahead and head downstairs and start putting away some of my decor and putting some stuff out that normally is out. So that is what I'm going to do. And then from there, I think all I had left was to break down my Christmas tree. Yep, so this Christmas tree, you guys, it was so pretty. But next year, my goal is to get one of those like big white frosted trees, and that is like my goal in life. But it turned out really cute, and I really like the basket underneath versus having like a tree skirt. I found that at Hobby Lobby, and it is like the best thing I've purchased for Christmas decor. It's definitely one of my favorite pieces that I have. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and set some stuff out and decorate.
Cause you make me feel like a piece of art. Cause all my shades of blue
I don't know about you guys, but watching these YouTube videos really helps my anxiety and just overall like help motivate me to like do stuff for myself in my own home. It's just really interesting to watch other videos and people cleaning and doing the things that they do, because I just get so many ideas and brainstorm stuff I want to do. And I just hope you guys get something from this video. I know it's kind of long and there's a lot going on, but I just really enjoy watching this type of stuff, so I hope you do too. Just life videos really I don't know, they inspire me, so vlogs are my jam. So but anyway, let's go ahead and continue this video. So when I recorded this, of course, you're not going to be able to hear a thing that I did or a thing that I said because of my camera and my audio. So I'm just going to tell you a brief summary of what I was chatting about. I was just telling you guys that I went to a football game with my fiance. It was his Christmas present. I got us NFL tickets to a Chicago Bears game, and it was really, really fun. And I was just recommending it if you guys have never been to a football game. Even if you're not really into football, I think it was just a really cool experience, and I don't know, it was just really fun. So on our way home, we stopped at an IKEA because we do not have one in town, but this IKEA is on the way back. So we stopped there and picked up a new dresser. So we put that together, and then we started organizing and putting some of his clothes away, because you guys, his closet is like filled with clothes from the bottom of the ground up to like the ceiling, and it was awful. So the next few clips we're going to be organizing his clothes and doing that, but that is all that I was chatting about in this clip. Alright friends, that is it for today's video. What a long one. It is definitely so good to feel more organized and clean and just like my life is somewhat put together. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!